Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about chemical properties of ethylene. So overall, ethylene reacts with a number of components like a HCl, hydrochloric acid, and next hydrogen. Next chlorine or bromine, Next further O3. O3 means ozone. Okay, O3 means ozone. Okay, or suppose HOCl. HOCl. HOCl means hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. So these are all compounds reacts with ethylene. Already we know that last class. Okay. So now we are discussed about polymerization and next some components. Okay. Overall, cool, and dilute alcoholic KMnO4 solution is called Bayer's reagent. What is Bayer's reagent? So overall first it is cool, heat and cool. Okay, cool. Next second one dilute. Compounds is classified into two types. One is concentrated and second one diluted. Okay, concentrated and diluted. Okay, concentrated compound means is very dangerous compounds. Suppose concentrated hydrochloric acid or concentrated H2SO4. When we have addition of some water molecules, it is converted to dilute. Okay, when we have addition of some water molecules to concentrate solution, it is converted to dilute. Okay, so dilute. Alcohol means just like basic component, basic nature. Alcohol means basic nature. Okay, so KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Okay, so KMnO4 means potassium permanganate. KMnO4 means potassium permanganate. So cool, dilute, alcohol. KMnO4 solution is called Bayer's reagent. This is very important. What is Bayer's reagent? Cool, dilute, alcoholic, KMnO4 solution is called Bayer's reagent. Okay. So now we have taken CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. So overall, what is the name? It is ethene or ethylene. Simply C2H4. C2H4. How many carbons? 2 carbons. How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. 2 H4. C2H4. It is a ethene or ethylene. Okay, ethene or ethylene. When it is reacts with the water molecules and oxygen atom. To form in this reaction in the presence of Bayer's reagent, In the presence of Bayes reagent. What is the Bayes reagent? Already know that. In the presence of Bayes reagent. To form, listen. So overall CH2 bond CH2. So H2O. So total two hydrogens, two oxygens. Two hydrogens, two oxygens. So overall one oxygen, one hydrogen OH and one oxygen, one hydrogen OH. Is clear? You understand? Okay. So when ethylene reacts with the water molecule and oxygen in the presence of Bayes reagent. Bayes reagent. To form CH2 bond CH2 bond OH. So it is called ethylene glycol. So ethylene glycol. Okay. So simply another form OH CH2 OH. OH, CH2, CH2, OH. OH, CH2, CH2, OH. Okay, it is ethylene glycol. Okay, ethylene glycol. Okay, next further another reaction. Suppose we have taken CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2 means ethylene or ethene. Okay, ethylene or ethene. So it is reacts with the oxygen O2. It reacts with the oxygen O2. So in the presence of silver Ag. In the presence of silver Ag. So we have given us some temperature. How much? 200 degrees centigrade temperature to 400 degrees centigrade temperature. We have given us some temperature, that is 200 degrees centigrade temperature to 400 degrees centigrade temperature. So here of O2 means only one oxygen. Okay, so to form oxygen bond CH2 bond CH2. CH2 only attach of oxygen. Okay, so it is called epoxy ethane. Epoxy ethane. Epoxy ethane. Okay, listen. It is reaction with oxygen. Ethylene reacts with the oxygen at 200 degrees centigrade temperature to 400 degrees centigrade temperature. In the presence of silver, so to form epoxy ethane. So epoxy ethane, so attach of oxygen. So silver is mainly used as a catalyst. What is the meaning of catalyst? So to increase the rate of reaction. So without catalyst, the reactions do very slow. With catalyst, the reaction do very fast. Okay, do you understand? Okay. When we do not use the silver, that reaction is very slow reaction. But when we have used silver, that reaction is do very fast. Within some seconds. Do the reaction within some seconds. But without catalyst, so it is very long for a long time. Very slow reaction within some hours. Okay, do you understand? What is catalyst? To increase the rate of reaction. Okay, so that is called catalyst. So when we have used silver, increase the rate of reaction. Okay, so it is a reaction with in the presence of cool dilute alcoholic MnO4 solution. So and next one, reaction with the oxygen. Okay. Okay. So polymerization. What is the polymerization? The process of preparation of polymers is called polymerization. So what are polymers? Already we know that, like a plastic items, just like polythene covers and agriculture pipelines, water tanks and some plastic chairs. So they are all polymers. Okay, so the preparation of polymers is called polymerization. Okay, so overall we have taken number of ethylene molecules, we have given the 1500 to 2000 atmosphere pressure and 200 degrees centigrade temperature in the presence of oxygen catalyst. To form in this reaction, bond CH2 bond taken in. So it is polythene or polyethylene. So it is mainly used in to preparation of polythene covers. Okay, what is the use of polythene? It is mainly used for to preparation of polythene covers. Okay, so it is the polymerization. What is the equation? In CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethene or ethylene. We have given the 1500 to 2000 atmosphere pressure and 200 degree centigrade temperature in the presence of oxygen catalyst to form polythene or polyethylene. So it is polymerization. Okay.